Good morning, dear students. Today, in the subject of accountancy, we have discussed the retirement, and particularly with the reference of retirement, we have discussed two things. One thing, division of undivided profit, and second thing, treatment of goodwill, and one more thing we learned, that is the revaluation of assets and liabilities. First, we see that in case of retirement of a partner, if there is some undivided profit lying on the liability side, likewise if there are some undivided loss appearing on the asset side of the given balance sheet, we have to divide them among all the partners in their old profit sharing ratio. As in case of admission, we used to divide the undivided profit and losses. Same thing will be done in case of retirement also. But the difference will be here, it will be among all the partners in their old ratio. Second thing is that is also discussed earlier, treatment of goodwill. At the time of retirement of a partner, the goodwill of a retiring partner will be treated and that will be adjusted in the capital account of remaining partners. What do we do? First we calculate and value the goodwill of the firm. In that goodwill of the firm, what is the share of a retiring partner, that we calculate. And that goodwill is credited to that retiring partner and remaining partners are debited in their gaining ratio. Then we learnt revaluation of assets and liabilities. Again, I will say that revaluation of assets and liabilities is not a new topic for you. In case of admission also, we have learned this treatment, this revaluation of assets and liabilities. When the partner retires, it is agreed among the partners that they should revalue their assets and liabilities. So when assets and liabilities are revalued, revaluation account is made and treatment is done for the increase or decrease in the value of assets and liabilities. And revaluation account is made, profit or loss due to the revaluation that is found out, and that is divided among all the partners in their old profit sharing ratio. So these were three lessons of today.